Whose name's on that package?
A keeps a passing.
That's right. It's your name. He said my name. It is his name, too. I wrote it on there. So this company, Keathon, wants you to try out some headphones for your ears from them. See if Steve can help you open it.
Got it. Earphones in here?
Yeah, in there. I should have brought his laptop. This is called unpacking. Can you say unpacking? Unpacking. Okay, open it up.
There you go.
See what you can find. I know, isn't it fun to unpack? Another box.
Another box. Does it have tape on this one?
Sharp.
Oh, here they are.
Isn't that worth this?
That's them, man. Let's
What
see
is
how
that?
easy they are to put on him.
What if
That's, oh, wow. Okay. Let me see. Or you can go ahead and open it. You're all right. Keep going. All right, everybody. So we were sent a free pair of Bluetooth kids headphones, open ear conduction, volume control, ultra light wireless sport kids earphones for Keathon to try out.
what the fuck?
Let me see, Pumpkin. I think that goes to your laptop. No. This goes.
It's to touch your.
Are you sure? It might be a microphone.
Oh, you need
Soft touch pen.
It's a soft touch pen for the laptop then. I really like that. Okay, so as a bonus, they sent him a soft touch pen, you guys. All right. I know we do, my love. I know we do. I just wanted you to get off the school bus and see you had something special.
What that for outside? The cut the grass cake.
Oh, yeah, you saw that on the
Look.
porch?
You
Can
can
you-
do this with your iPad when you have it.
I'm not allowed to be a sick.
Look.
Look what you can do, Keathon.
What?
Look. See, I can.
Put YouTube on it?
Yep, I can go to YouTube.
Pop show.
I did find some.
I think you got him upside down, Booker.
Oh, this way.
Yeah, look.
Amen.
Amen. Tell everybody what you eating.
White gravy.
Amen. White gravy. That's how we do it around here in the South,
White
huh?
gravy.
White gravy. He told me he had a baby plate. I told him it's because he's little. I know it. I'm such a good
try it.
cook.
With Kool-Aid.
For you. Sugar free. Good stuff? All right. Ooh, watch that edge, darling. Good job. Let's eat, kids, while his headphones are charging up. Steve's adjusting the sound.
All right.
I don't want to.
Can you hear good?
Can you hear it? All right, take your pen.
Huh?
He goes, huh?
What's that? What? Put it right here?
Yeah, you can fast forward
Yeah.
through the video.
You take this. Let me see it real quick. Let me show you. Touch it. And then you can take. You see the red dot?
Mm-hmm.
Drag the red dot. I think. Yep. You see it dragging it?
Yeah.
And then you can take it and go. Mhm.
And find a different video.
You can find different ones, and then you touch it. That way you don't break nothing when you're poking.
You like it?
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Take it, Miss Sam.
Well, no. Oh,
Hey.
You're very welcome, but I didn't send that to you, Pumpkin.
Miss Sam didn't send it to you.
A company sent it for you to try them out.
All
Now
right,
wiggle
you
your
going all
head.
crazy stuff.
Look at me, darling. Look here. Wiggle your
Look.
head. See if they stay on your ears. All right, hop up and jump up and down. See if they stay on. If they stay on him, they'll stay on any child. Good job.
Look at it.
Get crazy with it. It
All
fits. You
right.
like them?
You like them?
I do like that they're not falling off his head.
I want to watch.
What do you want to watch, Pumpkin? He likes the
I want
pen.
to watch Fake Pop Trip. Yeah, Peppa Pig. Nope.
Nope.
Nope. Yeah. Nope. Nope. What? Something way up here.
Look how you hold this in. You see how you hold it?
Yeah.
Try holding it like that, not like this. Use it like a pencil.
Like that?
Yep.
Yeah.
What?
Easy though. You got to do it easy. Uh-oh. Let me sign in. Okay. You got to do it easy.
There you go. Hey, I love you.
Mm-hmm.